Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add bank account in Bybit. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Bybit, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Bybit website, just go to buy crypto and click one click buy. So right here on the one click buy, you can insert your amount of crypto you want to spend, and also you can set up your payment method. So as you can see right here, you can use the bank card. So after clicking your bank card and inserting your amount of crypto you want to invest, just click add card, and you will need to insert your credit card information or debit card information, your card number, expiration date, and security code. And yeah, that's it. So after you click continue, you will confirm the order, and that credit card or debit card will automatically added as your default payment method. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add bank account on Bybit. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.